This video provides a quick look at the ITSM Guided Setup application, explaining what it is, who should use it, and how to use it. ITSM Guided Setup provides a sequence of tasks to help you configure the IT service management applications on your ServiceNow instance. Here we're logged in as System Administrator, who has the admin role required to access the application. The ITSM Guided Setup homepage displays a progress chain showing the categories of activities to be completed during setup, and a pre-setup checklist of information you need to have at hand for configuring ITSM applications on your ServiceNow instance. Guided Setup also helps you review and understand the best practices ServiceNow has learned from implementing ITSM across many customers, and it helps you configure the ITSM applications in your instance. The system updates the completion indicator to show how far along we are as we move through the setup categories. Right now, we're at 0%. So let's get started. The activity categories listed here correspond to the nodes in the progress chain. These are the things we need to do in each category, starting with company, connectivity, and foundation data, and then moving on to specific ITSM applications like CMDB, incident management, problem management, and so forth. This is where we configure default system settings and our welcome page. The tasks to be completed are listed here. Let's start with system configuration. Contextual help is available for this task here in the Help sidebar. There are many configuration choices here. For example, this is how we change the header background color. When we're done with this task, we save the settings. We'll mark it as complete, but there are also other options here, skipping the configuration or going back to the guided setup. This shows that we're 50% done with the company category, having finished one of two tasks. And 4% of the overall configuration is complete. Let's take a look at an ITSM application, Change Management. Here are all the setup tasks for change management. Let's get more information on the first one. The task is to configure the form for requesters to create a change request. The recommended configuration looks like this. And here are the steps to configure it. When we're ready to start, clicking Configure takes us directly to the form, where we make changes based on these recommendations. For example, one recommendation is to make the requested by and short description fields mandatory on the change form. After doing that, we would make any other desired form changes, click the back icon to return to the guided setup, and then mark this task as complete. There's a lot of setup to do, so let's get other administrators to help out. All tasks in the category can be assigned to a single admin, or they can be assigned individually. The list only displays users with the admin role, and the assignee receives an email notification of the assigned task. As we go through the guided setup, we can filter the list to show all the activity categories, only those that are complete, or just the incomplete ones, making it easy to follow them all the way through Go Live. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.